Greetings friends. Today, a little impromptu video. I was out last weekend. I had washed my W124 Turbo Coupe. I was just cruising it with my son and we bumped into Connor Guldner, who's a local digital creator. He does a car spotting thing where he goes out, he finds cool cars, he shoots rollers of them, and then he prints out and hands over a photo, all while in progress on the road. Makes for really interesting content. The photos are amazing. And so right now, you join us in progress as we've just bumped into Connor and the rollers are going down. Let's check it out. Oh shit, it's Connor. Ah, but my window's broke. So sad. I'm into it though. Let's go. We just bumped into Connor and he does like this car spotting thing. We're out on our Saturday drive and he wants to shoot some rollers, so we're flipping around to shoot some rollers. This is gonna be pretty cool. Snapping some rollers as we're going by the dealership. Probably hit a couple laps on that. So we just shot a quick roller, and then the way it works, I guess, is he actually prints the stuff out from his mobile printing studio. He's gonna frame it up and then he's gonna hand it off, which is gonna be a little tricky because my window doesn't go down. But we're gonna get it figured out. What is that over there? Was that a McLaren? A McClellan? All right, here comes the handoff. Feel the handoff coming. Handoff coming.
Cannonball! Cannonball coming. Cannonball coming. No!
Yeah, so sick. Look at that. So there you go, friends. Super cool bumping into Connor. This photo that I got, just an amazing roller in my opinion. Really cool one, right in front of the dealership. Hyped to have it. And all of Connor's social media is linked in the description, so you can check him out, give him a follow if you'd like. Really entertaining content, great guy. And so there you go. Just another quick episode. Friends, you know how it goes. Love the ones you're with. Be kind to those around you. Keep your whip clean if you like, or drive a ratty one. Nobody cares. It's all up to you. So enjoy your automotive adventures, and we'll catch you on the next one.